Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to forget your Instagram account password. So first we need to open Instagram app. If this tab is not open in your Instagram app, then go to Google Instagram.com, click on Chrome and then tap on forget password and now add email, phone number or username. So I am going to add username. So just click on send link and now they just send me link on my email. So just click on reset password and go to browser and here you can add new password. Then click on reset password. If you find this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.